Welcome to a live session. Today is 14th August 2020. 2020 live sessions. So what are the stocks which are keeping the Nifty up? What are the stocks which are keeping the Nifty up, and why the Nifty is still on the top? Everybody expecting Nifty to go down, right? But why then the Nifty is going to it's going up? Let's decode that. Let's decode that. Where is Nifty and what it is doing? So as we are seeing the Nifty technically dancing between these two levels, one side, okay, and not been able to cross this 11,360 levels, okay. Frankly speaking, the monthly resistance for that is 11,422, okay. Lower highs and higher lows are in place, okay, and we are just seeing that, abhi chalega, but it has become more stock specific. And Yes Bank, let's check Yes Bank. Most of them were in the buy, so this was a circuit level buy, and from 12 rupees went to 17 rupees, okay, and now niche wala circuit chalu kar diya. So this is the beauty of Yes Bank. Those who are stuck cannot help it. Let's check Tata Motors, giving a wonderful move, okay, a beautiful cup and handle formation and then strong up move, but again becoming weak and no follow-ups as such. Let's check Hero Motors, coming right inside the zone, okay, and Hero Motors has results also coming in. So will they go a little bit high? Question mark. Well, in the daily chart it's still on, okay. So very important that we understand the game very clearly. And what is the banking sector doing? Practically that is the weakest among everything. The weakest among everything is the banking sector. So let's decode the banking, okay. Bank of India not able to go beyond 49.50 levels, and it is dancing since the last one whole week over here. PNB again same thing, not able to go beyond 34. Now please understand, all these levels which are being seen, okay, they are the GAN levels also, okay. Kotak Bank, again the levels which we have been drawing and we have been following since quite some time, 1391 wala levels, not been broken. One time, two times, three times, four times, five times, six times. Six times these levels have not been broken, and it is dancing, not able, people are not able to make money on this. What about IDBI Bank? So this is your IDBI Bank, okay. Now normally what we always keep on saying, one side, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. And in this case, the high was that 54 wala levels, 56 wala level. Again a GAN point coming into picture. So while the movements are there, okay, very important that you actually take call based on your learning, okay. Very important, very important that you take call based on your learning. Any questions now? Chal, let's take questions, because I will be doing analysis, but you want to understand something. Let's take some questions on. Let's take some questions on. Any questions? No questions. Wow, then everybody is expert on this particular matter. Okay, great. So now what we are seeing, a buyer circuit going up, and then one side going down right up till 35 level. So 56 and 35 coming in just few days, and now it is dancing over here. This is your IDBI. So buy low and sell high is the mantra. Please do not get caught in between. Unnecessary, you will be wasting your time and energy on this. So here again the same thing, HDFC Bank coming to our weekly zone of 1156, and then coming down again, taking the support of the weekly zone. Okay, and the ups and downs are continuing, but see the drop in the pricing. That is very surprising over here. Okay, unable to cross these 1066 levels. Again, a weekly zone. So this is very, very important that you keep on marking the zone. This is Federal Bank. Again, same 56 levels. Remember the GAN levels. They are the ones which are working in our favor. Okay. Indus Bank has given a wonderful move and dancing around here at 507 levels and not done anything much in the last 1 month itself. Now it's almost 1 month. IDFC Bank. Okay. We had given a call on this IDFC Bank while the level broke and then strong up move coming in. Okay, so this is one stock which is right now also in the up move. So in and out should be the way of going around. Whether it is going to go to 33, 34, that's the GAN level. We will see in coming days. SBI 190 to 204, 207, unable to, and our levels of daily and weekly is 211. Okay, the higher lows are continuing as far as the SBI is concerned, but very, very, very slow moving. Okay, shoulder head, shoulder formation. Breakout is there, but unable to sustain the breakout. So 201, anything below 190 levels, and again it is going to come down to 180 levels. Okay, now unable to sustain the up move. Now this is very, very important that banking are the last one to move. See this again, RBL Bank dancing since the last 2 months now. Okay, ICICI Bank, again the same story of ICICI Bank, again dancing up and down. Axis Bank, same story, again dancing up and down, not able to sustain on the top. Okay, and this is the one of the weakest sector among the Nifty. But which are the sectors which are running then? Which are the sectors which are running? So let's check the sectors which are running. Okay, let's check take the sectors which are running and which are the strong sectors as on now. Okay, what about Tata Steel? Wow, Tata Steel has given a wonderful move up. Okay, again you can see a cup and handle formation and strong movement on the upper side. Okay, the levels which we see over here, 487 and 468 levels are the ones where from where the price has actually gone down. Okay, going up in the month of this thing at 506. So this one is the one which has crossed everything. Okay, so very, very important that you understand the game correctly. Okay, somebody trying desperately to get in touch. Just give me a second. Reliance, let's check Reliance from 910 levels, dancing over here. Reliance not able to go up from this, making a high. Now, please understand, Reliance has really made a wonderful move on the top. So, it getting stuck for some time, taking a breather is perfectly all right. But every down move of Reliance is a strong movement on the upper side. So our hero for this particular week was L&T. We had caught right at 930 levels, and see the way it has moved up as far as L&T is concerned. Same thing with Tech Mahindra. It took some time before this 701 was taken away, but a strong move even in Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra should be heading towards 783 levels. At least the 30-40 points up move is technically seen over here. Okay, and about the Asian Paint. So Asian Paint coming to a weekly level of 1840. Okay, and this is where strong weekly zone is available. But again, it is not in a sell mode. Okay, like everyone, The stocks which are up, they are not into a sell mode for certain reason. Now check this out as far as Infosys is concerned. So very small up and down movements are taking place. Okay, and this is very, very important. What is the view on Ashok Buildcon? Frankly speaking, I have not seen Ashok Buildcon. There is some news coming in for Ashok Buildcon, and see what has happened. When the news is out, it is already done its move from 50 levels to 70 levels. Okay, yes, in case you feel that this is a strong up move levels wala thing, you can go in, not a problem, but you have not caught it at the lower side. You have not caught it at the lower side, and that is going to give you some problems. If the Nifty falls, then these are the small stocks which are there, which can go down very fast. Okay, results are good. It is perfectly all right, not a problem. In case you want to go in, as far as this is concerned, check it out on a higher time frames also. Very important that you check the things on a higher time frames. Yes, a strong up move is there as far as the results and everything is concerned. Now this is where the resistance level was at 68 level. Okay, and very important for you to understand, one more week of a strong up move is possible in this particular thing. Same way in terms of Ashok Leyland also. Let's check Ashok Leyland. See this, a strong up move. Now this is what we want. This is what we want, a proper bullish Arami. So two candle formation, a proper bullish Harami, and a strong up move to 63, 64. Again, coming inside this particular zone of supply. Now this is a weekly. So still some steam left out in this particular thing, but a zone over zone is there in this particular case. So if it has to go up, possibility a target of 77. Okay, very important for you to not just buy something, because once it goes into a circuit mode, you will not be able to get out of this stocks. Okay, questions? Questions?
Tech Mahindra, can we do a option thing structure?
Yes, Tech Mahindra mein you can definitely take the option ruling, not a problem. Tech Mahindra is still going to go strong. My way of looking at this, Tech Mahindra, see, this is a weekly breakout of 61%. So buy low, sell high, or you can do a strategy based on options.
Yeah.
So while we were, we had this in the last whole week, we have taken this option strategy based on what to do in Tech Mahindra. Okay, and the move has already started. So L&T, Tech Mahindra, both of them has given a wonderful move. But August is a month where there will be some disruption coming in, and what and where it will come in, which particular day it will come in, need to be little careful when you are taking a home FNO positions. Okay, I am expecting a fall. Let's analyze the Nifty. Let's analyze the Nifty. Now, the way the Nifty is moving, or it is being managed, it is not so healthy. Not so healthy. So technically, it is more stock specific. So Nifty wise, some gadbad which is happening, which I am able to look at. Now, anything below, again, with a disclaimer, anything below 11,230 levels. Okay, anything below, closing below 11,230 levels, the drop will be somewhere around 10,850 levels. Repeating once again, anything below 11,230 levels, on a closing basis would bring the Nifty down very fast. And I would love to have this correction coming in place. Okay, I am unable to, frankly speaking, give you the exact date or time, but I am looking in a period of maybe 1 or 2 weeks probably. Okay, there will be some sort of one particular news, whatever it is coming in, okay, which can bring the Nifty down. So just to be little careful, because you are buying something right at the top. Okay, so most of the time always we say buy low, sell high, unable to sustain on the top. That is the problem as far as Nifty is concerned. 1 or 2 stocks going down, and see the way it goes down really fast. So a bearish engulfing, a 1, 2, 3 reversal coming in, and the price dropping really fast. So in this particular case, okay, this is a 1-day chart. Let's take a 30 minutes view. A beautiful 1, 2, 3 happening. Anything below today's levels, anything below 11,329s, okay, going right up till 310, and anything below 310 will push the Nifty down. Again, a doji type of formation. But here you can see that the Nifty is unable to sustain on the top. Let's check the 5-day chart. Again, in the last 5 days, unable to sustain. This is a 1-day chart only. Let's take the 5-day chart. See this? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times, and 5 times. This levels is unable to break on the upside. So this is really a concern. This is really a concern. Not able to, sir, share the Nifty chart. This is a Nifty chart. This is a Nifty chart which I have already shared. Okay, this is a Nifty chart, 5-day, 60-minute. 5-day, 60-minute chart. This is a 5-day, 60-minute chart. Okay, so let's take the 90-day view, 30-day view first. So in a 30-day view also, Nifty was in a strong up move. Now it is in a level 3 zone. Okay. Now what do you mean by level 3? What do you mean by level 3 zone? So this is what normally how the Nifty or any other stocks, okay, works. So you have this zone which is, it is dancing, and actually the stocks pricing are getting distributed. This is what we call as a distribution stage. So when we are looking at the Nifty, okay, very important for you to understand that this was a strong up move, okay, and now it is in the distribution stage. Now if it breaks this level which I have given you, okay, then we are heading for a price which could be coming down right over here where it has actually started its journey. Now it is again a question of ifs and buts, and that is why I love to have a disclaimer in place. What will bring the Nifty down? What can technically bring the Nifty down? Or whether the Nifty is going to go and cross this level to go up. But here when we are seeing this, so much of resistance right at the top. Okay, so you need to work on your higher time frames chart. Okay, and that is very, very important. Stocks which are working, be in the trend. When the movement comes in, you see the end of the movements, please get out of the position. It is perfectly all right. Markets will not be running away. They will be opening the next day for sure. But if you are caught right at the top, and if there is a drop in the market, you need to take the hit also. So be ready to take the hit in case the market is going down. Word of caution why this? Why I'm telling this? Okay, because most of the time, okay, people being very optimistic, they buy right at the top when everything looks good. Okay, so when everything looks good, you want to buy, not a problem, but you should know when to buy and when to get out also. Okay, so this is where we are looking at 30 days to 40-minute chart. So when we are looking at 240-minute chart, is this not a distribution phase which is going on? So this is the distribution phase which we are looking at. So while the price has really gone up very strongly, now the distribution is happening. Now, will it go up? Yes. Then we have a monthly levels zone, which is 11,422. Okay. And this is what is very important, that when you are at the top, okay, Nifty is technically unable to give you money, but the options definitely will be able to give you money, not a problem at all. Anything below 11 to 70 levels, okay, on a higher time frames will bring the Nifty down again on the lower side. When it will come, how it will come is a little question mark, but this is what one should be taking care of when you are buying right at the top. Questions? Questions? Let me take some few questions on this. Any stock specific questions you have? Any particular view, point of view questions is there? Let me know. No question? Wow. So you are comfortable as far as Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned. Let's check the Bank Nifty also. We have not taken the Bank Nifty. Let me take the Bank Nifty. So I go to derivatives and I go to Bank Nifty. Okay. And I will take the near one. So here I am taking the Bank Nifty. Let's check the Bank Nifty. So this is what the Bank Nifty is doing. Let's check. Some question was there. VT organ. My God. Okay. Let me finish with my Bank Nifty analysis, and then I will take individual stocks also, not a problem. So Bank Nifty was the weakest among the link. This is what we have seen. Okay. While the price was going down, and then in the last few days, the Bank Nifty has gone up. But what has actually pushed the Bank Nifty up? What has pushed the Bank Nifty up? Only the SBI, which moved from 190 levels to 202 and 204 levels. Okay, but every time it is being pushed up, it is being beaten down. Now this is of 240 minutes chart. Let me take you to a daily chart. Okay, so in a daily chart also, let's understand the Bank Nifty. What is happening in the Bank Nifty? Any level, remember this, you can write down anything below 21,980, closing below 21,980 would take the Nifty, Bank Nifty down to 21,395, 90 levels odd. Okay, and we are also looking at somewhere around our Fibonacci ratios. Okay, and this weekly chart of 20,800 or 20,900 levels. So looking for a drop in case the Nifty falls, and this coming to this 2100 levels. So if this correction comes in, if again I am saying, if this correction is coming in, okay, this will be the best place to get into a particular stock. The only problem as far as this particular Bank Nifty is concerned, this will form a shoulder, head and a shoulder formation. So if it is forming a shoulder head shoulder formation, okay, that means the next candle, whatever we want, the next candle, whatever we want is this. And if it comes down, then it is going to come down slowly, slowly. This is what we are expecting. Okay, will it go touch over here at 21,400 levels, or it is going to break to this level, coming down to 21 levels, is a question mark. Because see, in this particular case, what I am looking at, okay, again a disclaimer, only the candles will be able to tell us what it wants to do. So this is a strong demand zone right over here, from where the price has actually gone up. See this levels, price had gone up from these levels, again the price had gone up from these levels, again the price had gone up from these levels. So if this level is hit, okay, that means we are looking at somewhere around 21 and 21,200 levels. If we hit, probably going up, or is it going to go down, is a question mark. But this will be a very, very interesting level to look at. Okay, where the PSU banks and few of the heavyweights, if they come down to a particular level and Nifty unable to go below 10,880 levels, from there, if there is a turnaround, then I want to be in this particular game. The shoulder head shoulder pattern may fail, or if it is not failing, then what? Then this is the size of the drop it can do. So if it is breaking these levels, okay, then this is the level which I am looking at, the break of this particular level right up till 20,000 levels. Again, all these candles which I have drawn is a game of probability. Whether it is going to do it, only time will tell. But always remember that you need to buy low and sell high. Chapter over.
So
Okay.
typically the frontline stocks don't fall too much. So in this, do you think everything will fall equally, or how do you see that?
See, what can drag the Bank Nifty down? Which are the stocks which you feel can drag the Bank Nifty down?
The HDFCs and the ICIs.
Correct. HDFC, ICICI, and the SB. And please understand, there will be some sort of profit booking coming in terms of PSU banks. Okay, and they can drop more than all the other frontline stocks. But they will be the one who can be a dragger. Kotak Bank is not moving for quite some time. HDFC has slowly and steadily been beaten down. Okay.
Correct.
What is supporting the Bank Nifty? What is supporting the Bank Nifty is the SBI as on now. Okay. Just because there was some news of LIC buying Yes Bank, and there was a upper circuit. But please understand, boss, if the stock is bad, why you want to get into a stock which is really bad fundamentally? So buy good stocks, okay, where there you see a up move, proper up move coming in. Okay, and in case you are unable to understand the game of Nifty and Bank Nifty, you should avoid it, or you will have to play the option game to your advantage. It is as simple as that. Okay, because what we have seen, okay, in the Bank Nifty and Nifty, in the expiry day, on Thursday, okay, it really has worked to our advantage. So it is very important that you understand the game correctly before you take a call on something to buy because whatever you are going to buy at present, are you buying cheap or are you buying costly? That's a basic question to ask yourself. Okay, so in this particular case, again, Bank Nifty needs to go below 21,980 or 950 levels for it to really come down to this level of 21,400. Okay, so in one single day, Bank Nifty can easily cross this 400 points, 500 points, not a problem at all. So this is a daily chart which I have shown you. Okay, and if you go to a smaller time frame chart, okay, it is unable to sustain on the top.
Yeah.
Okay, any other questions?
So इसके साथ Bajaj Finance देखते हैं, Bajaj Finance और Bajaj Finserv.
Okay, yeah, I can take Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv also, not a problem. This small stocks which are not Nifty related stocks, please, if you have profits, at least book some part of the profit and then again get into that particular stock, not a problem at all. Let's take Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv also. Let's take Bajaj Finance. So what is Bajaj Finance doing on a higher time frame? Is it able to sustain on the top? Practically no. Right? So this stock means technically the whole of financial is not unable to sustain. Now is this not a double top formation? But you need to again wait below this 330 levels for it to come down to 3126 levels. Okay, please understand, on a regular basis this is just doing dancing since the last 7 days. Okay, very important that you do not get into that dance mode. Okay, chalo. Head and shoulder pattern, view on metal, especially Tata Steel. Tata Steel right now is going strong. Okay, Tata Steel, we have just checked Tata Steel ka chart also. Tata Steel technically right now is strong. Okay, Tata Steel. But again, I would recommend you, if you are in profit, lock your profits. Always remember that whatever money which you are going to take home is the key thing in the market. Will you be able to get out when the market is giving you money? Very, very important. Okay, so it is very important that you try to book your profits time to time, because once the drop happens, the whole of sectors will be going down. Okay, one of the weakest, again I am saying and I am repeating once again, one of the weakest levels, and if needs to go up, Nifty needs to go up, Bank Nifty has to move, otherwise it is going to dance around in this particular case. Okay, so you need to check this out early morning and play the intraday game very nicely, not a problem, because right now, see, please understand, is this not sector specific? We had caught at 134 levels, JSW Steel. Okay, and now it is at 266 level, coming right at the top. Hindalco, 18 levels, and now where it is, 189 levels. Okay, so it is very important for you to understand to buy low and sell high. Now you are going to catch everything on the top. So you need to find out which are the stocks. Reliance, yes, let it correct and then get into the Reliance. Now the horizon is very, very important. अभी आप मेरे को पूछोगे आज के लिए, and then your horizon is 5 years down the line, then I would definitely say go and buy, not a problem. But अगर intraday में है, and if you are going to take FNO positions, I would not recommend it. Okay, sector specific is very, very important. Bajaj Finserv not doing anything last 2 months. It is stuck over there itself. So very important that you draw the two lines, and anything below that, it will be a sell very fast. So niche mein you can wait, not a problem. Or if you are buying something, you need to buy based on the conviction. नहीं तो अटक जाओगे आप लोग. Which are the stocks which are strong? Which are the stocks which are weak? IT sector is still strong. I will still recommend IT sector to, you can go into the IT sector. Okay, and the banking, just take care as far as the banking sector is concerned.
Mahesh, can you look at HCL Tech?
HCL Tech is still strong, 723 plus. It is still strong. 720 plus is still good, not a problem at all. But at 720, you are right at the top. Okay, there is one more question which has come up. Let me take that question also. Radio City for short term. Again,
just 1 second, sir. On
Yeah.
HCL, how do you figure out the exit point for this?
now you can only trail it out, sir. Anything below 700 levels, you should be technically out for the time being in case the market falls. Because in this case also, the move has been significant.
Yeah.
Okay, so trail as per your rules, or use options to hedge your positions. So guys, this was a wonderful meet with every one of you after a long time. I hope that this has helped you to, yeah,
Mahindra, sir.
Mahindra and Mahindra also right at the top. So if you are buying right at the top, how much it will go up now?
No.
It's a question mark.
Can you book the profit?
Yes, book 50% and then wait. Aram say when it goes come down, you can buy again.
Okay, fine.
सर
thanks.
only Thursday को ही ट्रेड करना हो तो बैंक निफ्टी में.
Yeah, then you have to be a very good seller.
ओके एंड सर कितना कैपिटल, मतलब मैं तो अभी बाइंग में हूँ, कभी सेल नहीं किया, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तो आप
You
कुछ
need minimum of 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees for selling purpose.
ओके सर.
Okay, so you can become a seller, but you have to be really careful. Okay, but that there is money in the market for sure. Okay, so